Alright everybody, how you doing today? Okay, the Saab wrench with another video for you. This one's going to be a quick, simple one. In my opinion, it's easy, but you know, I've been watching people are trying to deal with this right here. You know, just these badges look terrible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to pretty easily turn them into this. Can't turn it into this one. I found this one somewhere, but I like that guy. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Okay, we'll pick the worst one. It's probably this one. Probably this one. So, what we need is we need some sandpaper. We need some water. And this is not the actual container, but what's in here is a 50-50 mix of spar urethane and mineral spirits. Okay, so the mineral spirits cuts the urethane gives it a nice shiny protective coat once we're done. Okay, so you got your badge off. This is it. Just get it wet. I like to take an aggressive grit up front, and you just, once you figure out how to hold it, just aggressively sand it. You can see all that black shit's coming right off. There are easier ways to do this, faster ways, such as a lacquer thinner. That probably works much quicker, much easier. But if you're a hands-on guy like me, get some satisfaction after actually putting in some elbow grease, then this is the way you want to do it. If you're an instant gratification kind of person, well, maybe go for the lacquer thinner. It's up to you. Well, I think this piece of paper's had it, but not bad already. So I think we're going to change to a different grit here. Well, I got some 400 here. What's this? Some more 400. I think I'll take one of these. Alright, you can feel it still feels pretty dirty. It looks decent, but it's really up close, it's not that great. Alright, so this is 400. It's hard to hold it. Now, easy is a relative term. As far as I'm concerned, this is easier than going and buying a new one. Your opinion may differ, but this is just how I like to do it. Alright. Well, that looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but I don't know if I'll be able to hold it like this. Not really. No. Oh, pretty oily up here. All right. It doesn't take very long, just gotta get it done. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, I'm just gonna use my shirt. These are work clothes after all, and this would be work. All right, so pretty big difference so far, but we're not done. We got one more step to do. Just gonna get this water out of the way. Try not to touch it if your hands are slightly wet like mine. Okay, so we're gonna take a little piece of this. This is a microfiber cloth here. We only need a little bit. So we're gonna take about that much. That's it. Any more and it's just wasting it. Just put this right here for now. All right, so you want the folded edge. You don't want to use the rough side. Use the folded edge. Make sure it stays mixed pretty well. And as you see, we're just going to get a little bit on here. Just a bit. This is not the bottle I like to keep it in, but okay, so there we go. So, in a nice even movement, just put it on, just like that. You don't want to go over it too many times like I'm doing, but there you have it. And now you just let that dry, just like that. This is going to get hard and that's garbage. Make sure you keep your mix closed. And that's it. Now once you've done this step, you don't really want to touch this or mess with it or move it. You want to put it away somewhere so it can dry, just like that. All right, that's it. I'm gonna save these because we're gonna do a couple of different methods. So this method is like the headlight restoring stuff. That's basically what the spar urethane and the mineral spirits, that's pretty much what it is. Okay, so there you go. Nice, simple, easy video for you guys. Get those badges looking good. All right, see ya.